Hello friends, I am Rupam and welcome to Rupam's tutorial. Firstly, Happy New Year to all of you. Today we will discuss squares between 25 and 75. Let's start. Firstly, why do we start from 25? Why not start from 1? Because you have to memorize squares from 1 to 25. On this chart, it may be a little hard, but if you do it, these tricks will be very simple. So, we will take our first number, which let it be 56. We have to square this number. Now, firstly, we have to figure out the middle number from 25 and 75, which is between, perfectly, which obviously is 50. So we will write 50 over here. Now, we have to check whether the number is greater or smaller than 50, which will act as a base. Now, if it is greater or smaller, you have to figure out how much it is greater or smaller. Obviously, 56 is 6 greater than 50. We will write it over here, 6. Now, if it is greater, we have to add the same number with it, the difference with it. So, 56 plus 6, which is the difference, it equals 62. Because it is half of 50, we have to half it, which is 62 divided by 2, which equals 31. Now we have to remember the difference and then square it. 6 square, which is 36. And this is our answer. We have to write it next to it. And this is our answer, 3136. We will take our next example. Now, let the next number be 37. Now, we have to square this again, and we can see that it is lesser than 50 by 13. Now, because it is smaller than 50, you have to again subtract 13 from 37, which equals 24. So 24 halved, which is 2. So 24 halved, which equals 12. Then we have to do 13 square, which is the difference. Now in 13 square, which is 169. Now you might be wondering, why didn't I just write 169 next to it? Well, because 169 exceeds the limit of how much the number can be written next to 12. So this number, which is a 3-digit number, we can only write it 2 numbers next to the digit, which is 12. And there is an extra digit which will be added to which is added to 12. So 12 plus 1, which equals 13, and then 69. And this is our answer, 1369. We will take our next number. Our next number will be 47. Again, this number is smaller than the base 50 by 3. So, we have to subtract 3 from 47, which equals 44. Now we have to halve this number, which again equals 22. But 3 square equals 9. But we can only learn 2-digit numbers. So to solve this problem, I mentioned this in my other videos. You can just add a 0 to the left of a 1-digit number to make it 2-digit or 3-digit and so on. So if we add 1 0 next to 9, it will become a 2-digit number. And we can write it next to 22 or 22. And this is our answer. 2209, 2209. Now you can go on with this for any number you like between 25 and 75 with this simple method or trick. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.